Hi guys, Happy New Year. I'm back with a didgeridoo tutorial about the introduction to the instrument and the playability of the didgeridoo. Here are some of them. And let's get to work. Hi guys, so my name is Ianosi. I'm a didgeridoo player and passionate. I'm a musician and the didgeridoo is my main instrument. So the didgeridoo, it comes in different lengths. And this is because each length gives it a specific note. So if it's longer, the note is deeper. If it's shorter, the note is higher. It's one of the oldest wind instruments, and it's about 40,000 years old. So it comes from Australia. It's part of the flute family. It's part of actually the harmonic flute family, if I want to be more specific. So how do we know it's a harmonic flute? It's because it has no holes. And it's what makes it special is its length, but also its mouthpiece. It's much bigger than all the harmonic flutes. So the flutes fall down in three categories. They have front flutes, they have oblique flutes, which are played on oblique, and then you have the side flutes, which are played on the side. And now for its playability. So all music instruments fall in four different categories. We have wind instruments, percussions, the strings, and the human voice. So all of them can be classified into one, sometimes into two. So the didgeridoo falls in the wind instruments because we play it with the breath. And to better understand how we should play this, I think it's important to know of its abilities. What are the sounds it can produce? So it has six different sounds it can make. We have the drone, which it's known for. And what makes it special from other flutes and wind instruments is that we play it with circular breathing by giving it a continuous sound. We have the voice and which is simply singing in it. And then we have everything above its drone, which is called the trumpet sounds. And with these trumpet sounds, you can probably imagine the Swiss Alp horn or other trumpet sounds. And we have the drop octave, which is playing under the drone note. Okay, this one is not good for the drop octave. I'll show you with the plastic one. So that's all the note. There are sometimes different notes going from its sound downwards, and then we have the flute sounds. Then we have the disconnected sounds. So all these sounds I made was touching the mouthpiece or the embouchure. When we disconnect with the instruments, all sounds become different. So that's it for my video. I hope it was helpful. And if it was, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about me. Until next time, I wish you a nice day. Bye bye.